There is something you are quietly letting go of, a pattern, a feeling, a connection, a version of yourself that kept carrying pain. Long after the story ended, this month isn't asking you to be strong. It's asking you to be honest. You've outgrown what you kept holding on to out of habit, fear, or hope. But now your spirit is tired of carrying what hurts. December is not punishing you. It's protecting you, closing a door you never had the strength to close alone. And on the other side of this release, your self-worth returns. Steady, clear, unshaken. You start remembering what you deserve, what you no longer accept, what you are no longer willing to negotiate. This ending is gentle because the beginning that follows will be kind.